Just quickly, I want to show you how to get the software from Vernier to analyze your data. And what you'll need to do is log into your Canvas site and go to your pages. Inside the pages, there's a link to download instructions for Vernier software. And then you'll go ahead and click on the link and download the software. It's about a half a gigabyte, so depending on your connection, it might take a while. I already did it, so I'm going to click on this. And I'm using Firefox, but it should work in other programs. And then I'll hit yes. It'll ask you what language, and I'm assuming English, so I'm going to do English. So we have the site license for this software because I purchased it some time ago. And it'll want to install. It's asking right now if you have any Logger Pro equipment hooked up, and I'm assuming you don't, so I'll hit OK. And then we'll just go to next. And then, we'll just accept. But it just says basically you buy one copy, the whole campus can have it. And then choose a destination folder, I'm assuming default folder. Here you can decide what you want to install. Let's just install everything. And then we'll install. At some point along the way, it'll probably ask you to restart your computer in order to fully complete the installation. So it says successfully installed, exit the wizard, so you hit finish. So to run the software, let's do Vernier Logger Pro maybe, let's see. Logger Pro right here is what you want, desktop app. And this is what the software will look like. And then what you'll want to do is you'll want to find your data file. So what you need to do next is open your file. I put one on my desktop. It'll give you this warning because of the age of the lab quests that we use. And here's an example of data. Somebody's first and second titrations, their fast and their slow titrations. And what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to draw some tangent lines on your data. The equivalence point on this one is pretty close to 20 where we made ours. And so what you'll want to do is highlight the central part around the midpoint. That is between, you take 20 divided by 2. This is my equivalence point zone. And then what I'm going to do is take around 10. I'm going to draw a tangent line. And I'm going to do it for run 2 because that's their slow titration. And so that creates a straight line there. Do the same thing here. I'm going to highlight just the central region. I just want the point where the sloping is the highest. You can also see over here it's highlighting which data points you have. And I'll draw another tangent line to run to. Hit OK. So there's your tangent line. You can move these things out of the way if you like. And then you're going to need another one out here somewhere. And I had this person go out a little bit further. But you can take all your data to about 30 mils for this titration. You draw another tangent line. They have a little bit of a bump in their data, which might affect things, but usually it's not that big of a deal. So this is the data that you're going to need to print out. So when you print it out, you'll go to File, and you'll go to Print Options. And you can put your name here, so I'll just leave it as your name here. And then you can maybe put your unknown number. And I don't know what this student's unknown number was, so I'll just say XYZ. I have no idea. Hit OK. Page setup, I should say we should put that landscape. And then you'll select this graph, and then you'll print it. Oops, sorry, print it. There we go. And that's my printer at home. And that's what you'll want to bring to class so you can finish your analysis. So I hope that helps you.